Hello, I'm Abhinav from Product Specialist team. In this video, we would be looking at how to capture cold dump of a Windows process on process exit. We would be doing this using debugdiag tool. The agenda of this video is to look at the purpose of such a capture, download link of debugdiag, and finally see a video on or demo on how to get the capture. We would need a cold dump captured during process exit when we see Informatica processes exit without any trace. There are a lot of instances when Informatica process on Windows crash and we don't have a clue why. At times we try to capture first and second chance exceptions, but we may not get the right set of data. Or maybe there are a large number of dumps created because of first chance exceptions, filling up disk space. In such cases, it is very helpful to capture cold dump on process exit. Now, let us take a look at the demo. But before that, here is the link to download debugdiag. So let me open debugdiag, which I have already downloaded. Debugdiag opens up with a pop-up wherein you can directly create a rule. Here we are going to create a crash rule, and we would be debugging a specific process. So just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to be using a notepad process. So I would be attaching the debugdiag, or maybe creating a rule for the debugdiag to attach to a notepad process and then capture the dump on notepad exit. But the same can be performed on PM server, PM rep agent, or any of the Informatica processes. In this case, it is going to be notepad. In case if you want to attach to an existing process, you can select the process here. Let us say Internet Explorer, for example, or PM server, PM rep agent, or any of the Informatica processes which is already executing at the moment. And then you could select this process instance only, so that only this particular instance of PM server or PM rep agent would be debugged. And if the PM server crashes and then comes up again, the debugdiag would not attach to the new PM server. Let us stick to notepad, and then we create a rule. So the next page is advanced configurations, wherein we would be creating or selecting an event on which the dump would be created. So add event, the event would be child process exit, and the dump type would be full user dump. Okay, save and close. So this would give us a dump on the exit of notepad. But if you had configured it for PM server or PM rep agent, it would give a dump on PM server or PM rep agent exit. Next, this is the name of the rule. We could change it, but we will leave it as such right now. And here is the location where the dump would be created. I am copying this location for future reference so that we can go and check if the dump has been created or not. Next, and finish. Now that the rule is ready, let me open a notepad process. It is open now. So this rule is going to capture the dump of the process if notepad exits gracefully or crashes. In this case, we are going to close it gracefully. Closed. The next thing would be to go to the location of the dump and check if the dump has been created or not. So yes, here is a dump that was created on the notepad exit. So if the process had exited because of an exception or without any trace, we would have still got the dump, and then with this dump we could have done debugdiag analysis on top of the dump, and then we could have got the stack trace of the process when it was exiting. In this way, it will be helpful for us if the process exits without any trace. We're done with the demo. So if you have any queries or any feedback, please get back to us at supportvideos@informatica.com, or feel free to tweet at infasupport. Additionally, there is a link here which talks more about debugdiag. If you want to use it for some other purpose, you can take a look at this link. Thank you.